Hello beautiful people, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to yet another session with me, Kate, and I'm super excited to introduce to you, or rather to walk you through this luxury apartment located in one of the most amazing location in Nairobi, Kilimani. This apartment comprising of 3 bedrooms with DSQ and 2 bedrooms. So walk with me as I walk you through today. I'm thrilled to introduce to you to this beautiful apartment, and I would like us to have a look of the 2 bedroom which is on sale. So walk with me as I walk you through. Also, if you find this video interesting, remember to subscribe, share with your friends, comment down below. If you have any question, comment down below. Ask any question that you have. So welcome. So this is our living room area, but I would like we start with our door. We see how our door is, and this is our door. Very unique. With the latest technology, you use buttons to open the door, and it is a metal door, so it is very hard to break this door. And also it has a camera, as you can see. So if you have a visitor outside there, or if you have someone who is knocking your door, you get to see who is the person outside your door through the camera on the door. So it is a high-end with the latest technology, and I love this. So next we're gonna have a look at our decor area. Here we have this beautiful flower, and we also have decor books. It is something that you can also put things inside the, it's like a drawer. You can put something or things inside it, or however you want to use it. This is our living room area, very spacious, and as you can see, it is it has a high-end ceilings with natural lighting, and the beautiful chandeliers tumewekea hapo, the beautiful chandeliers. So the beautiful chandeliers, that's what I want you guys to see. And also the gypsum, I love the gypsum. Then from there we have this portrait over here, and our couch here. I decided to relax kidogo and feel the couch. It's a leather couch. 3-seater. Yes, I don't know, is this 3-seater, guys? Tell me on the comment section. And our coffee table, a very beautiful coffee table with marble. Yes, so this is how our living room looks like, and this is what we have managed to do. Yes, and then from there, this is our TV. And look at these curtains, the fabric, the material. I wish you're here, you can touch the material. You see it is very beautiful in terms of color, that's orange and gray. And also it is bringing like the brightness in the house. The orange and gray is always adding the brightness in the house. So it is a very unique color, you know. From there, I would love, we this is our balcony, our first balcony from the living room area, and we have slide doors to enter to our balcony. And as you can see, our apartment is just across the road. You can see the cars over there, and we are just 1 minute to Gong Road, so I can literally see even the supermarket. It is just down here. So this is our chair at the balcony. And as you can see, also the balcony is very spacious, although we haven't added a lot of decor, but we are still doing the construction. So then we just have a look at our dining area. You can see it has 4 seats, but this is what we decided to do. Although depending with your family, depending with your visitors, or rather depending with what your taste is, you can decide and change. You can add a bigger dining table, or yes, then a beautiful chandelier. You can see it over there, very beautiful. Yes, let me just have I wanted you guys to view the chairs, these seats. Yeah, here you eat your ugali bila haraka mingi. Your ugali and soup, your breakfast, you just get to enjoy bila haraka mingi hapo. I mean, and you know, Kilimani, it is where this particular, where this apartment is located. It is located at a very, 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 very prime location, where you get to enjoy malls, beautiful hotels. I mean, everything is here. So we just have a look at our kitchen. This kitchen comes with the oven, and this is our oven. And also you can see we have very, very classy cabinets, as you can view, and with high-end appliances. And this is our kitchen. It also comes with kitchen hood, and also it comes with a fridge. There we go, our cabinets, our high-end cabinets with white in color. We decided to use white and took a blend with gray. That is where utakuwa ukiosha vyombo zako, your utensils. Yes, I was still trying to show you the cabinets. It is spacious enough, you know. I love it when it's spacious. Yes, so from there I want us to have a look. You walk with me. I hope you're not getting tired. Continue subscribing. So we get to we just have a look at our bedroom. Our bedrooms, we have 2 bedrooms, and now we're gonna start with this, and then boom, our first bedroom. It is here, spacious enough. I love the color. It has fitted king size. Yes, this is 6 by 6. I love the color here. The I don't know, this is blue or light blue, white and gray, some touches of gray. The beautiful portrait over here, and the natural writing. Like, you don't have to struggle. You don't have to keep your all the time your bulbs are on. No, look at this. These are beautiful. Wow, I love it. So, and here are our wardrobes, white in color. The doors are white in colors and some touches of gray. Yeah, let's have a look at our washroom. And this is our common washroom. Very spacious. You can see the key, the mirror, the lighting, this beautiful sink, and it has like a drawer where you can put your stuffs. High-end shower. Yes, so we now have a look at our second bedroom. That's our washroom there. That's our washroom over there. Very beautiful, very clean. I hope you're still watching and subscribing as we get to our second bedroom. We start with the washroom because before you get inside, you get unaanza na the washroom. Unaenda unapata the washroom, then from there, and it has high-end finishes. The doors, I love the door. And you know, if you get to invest here in Kilimani, the return on investment is high. And now this is our master, and so it's our master bedroom. Hey, again with king size, and you can see it is very, 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 very spacious. This is king size. I love the lighting, the natural lighting as well, and the cabinets. We just have a look at the cabinets, and before we have we also have a look at these beautiful curtains with this is, I don't know the name of this color, with some touches of white, or rather cream. And the good thing about the master bedroom, it has a balcony. And look at these cabinets. It's very spacious. I mean, they're very spacious. They have a unique design. I love the finishes. You guys have noted that this 2-bedroom has 2 balconies, one for the living room and another one for the master bedroom. And you can see the glasses, balcony glasses, and it's very spacious. Yes, here we get to enjoy, we get to feel good. Thank you guys for your continued support. Thank you for watching. You know, if you have any question, do not hesitate to talk to me any day, anytime. My good name again is Kate, and I'm here to guide you. I'm here to walk you through real estate industry. I'm a realtor, so continue subscribing. Thank you.